Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Polo's infotainment supports Android Auto and pick a high-quality USB cable for wired setup. On your phone, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so the car and phone can find each other. Plug the cable into the center console USB and set your phone's USB mode to file transfer or Android Auto when prompted. Once done, accept any permissions on the phone. That lets Android Auto access maps, messages, and audio. After the physical connection, pair your phone with the Polo over Bluetooth so contacts and calls work. The head unit will often prompt you to open Android Auto automatically. On the phone, grant microphone, contacts, messages, and location permissions so voice control and navigation function reliably. Next, configure Android Auto settings. Choose your default navigation app, set Do Not Disturb while driving rules, and arrange frequently used apps on the launcher. These choices reduce distractions and make the interface predictable while you drive. Now you're ready to use Android Auto while driving. Press the steering wheel voice button or say, "Hey Google," to launch navigation, calls, or music hands-free. This keeps eyes on the road. Make sure the head unit's audio source is set to Android Auto and confirm map and phone icons appear on screen. If it fails to connect, reboot the phone, try a different USB port or cable. And if needed, clear pairing on the infotainment and repair. That resolves most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.